Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make gyoza to harusame no soup. It's gyoza Japanese dumpling and harusame glass noodles soup. I'm using frozen gyoza, so it's super easy to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 20 frozen gyoza, 50 grams of glass noodles, 200 grams of bean sprout, some garlic chive, 1 tablespoon each of Chinese soup stock, sesame oil, and sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce and garlic, some salt and pepper, and Ryu chili oil. This is a Chinese soup stock I'm using today. Let's put 4 cups of water. Chinese soup stock, soy sauce, and garlic paste in the pot. And just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, bean sprout, glass noodles, and frozen gyoza. And wait until it comes to boil again. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Simmer for 5 minutes. Some salt and pepper to adjust the saltiness. Chive straight into the pot. Let's cut the bottom off just a little bit because it's dry. Then 1 inch or so. Sesame oil, sesame seeds. Give it a stir. And it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. Some chili oil if you like to make it spicy. And gyoza to harusame no soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. I ただきます。 I like the pan-fried crispy gyoza, but this one is as good as fried one. And the glass noodles that soaked up all the tasty broth are so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Gyoza to Harusame no soup is like main and soup put together. So let's put it here and nothing here. Plain rice here. I think I want to add a little more protein to the meal. So let's have broccoli and egg salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickle to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!